After a morning of walk-ups, it's back to more pain, back to more pills.
Oh,
The evening showings bring more pain.
you type it.
Pills. Sealing the deal.
Don't type me.
Her doctor recommended Aleve. It can relieve pain all
Jolie,
day
move.
with fewer pills than Tylenol.
No,
This
wait
is
for it.
Lois, who chose 2 Aleve and fewer pills for a day free.
Right, Dean, come and bring it back. Move,
And
Jolie.
the all-day pain relief with Aleve and liquid gels.
Doing it.
Looks like there's an opening for shipping coordinator.
Again?
I've got to
Right.
call someone.
Okay, you just ordered a crispy McChicken and a fresh Greek sweet tea for only $1 each off McDonald's.
Bring it back.
You're smart. Yeah, I got nothing.
Good boy.
At LegalZoom, you can take care of virtually all your important legal matters in just minutes. Now it's quicker and easier for you to start your
Boy.
business, protect your family, and launch
Ready?
your dreams. At
Ready? No.
LegalZoom.com, we put the law on your side.
On your wedding day, one thing
Woo!
you want to
Ow! Ow! Ow!
looking at
Woo! He got me.
your tuxedo at Men's Warehouse, and you'll look almost as good as she does. You're gonna like the way you
Good
look.
boy.
Guarantee it.
Larry, you just had the credits cleaned.
That was the pizza guy.
You said you bought a
Here we go.
DiGiorno.
But the pizza came with cheesy breadsticks.
DiGiorno pizza and breadsticks. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
He shut my laptop.
She found a box.